The properties of equipotential surface. We know in equipotential surface potential at any point is same. That is, potential at B is equal to potential at B. Suppose if this is the electric field direction, this is one equipotential surface and this is another equipotential surface. This is V1, this is V2. Now we take this equipotential surface this way. Because it will be rectangular shape, we will take this way, and if we are taking this one this way, the electric field will be this way. For easy convenience, we are taking electric field will be this way. So this is this is the direction of electric field. Suppose work done by electric field is equal to minus work done by external, and potential difference delta V is equal to work done by external agent if in bringing from initial point to final point divided by charge. This is equal to potential difference, potential final minus potential initial. This is potential final minus initial. Suppose we are moving, this is from A to B, it is moved. A to B, it is moved by external agent. External agent means, see, this is work done final. Work done final means, see, potential final. We are moving it from here to here by the external source. From here to here, work has to be done. That work is stored as at this point of the electric field. It means here the potential is something. Here the potential is this potential energy at A plus the work done. It means potential at B is supposed to be more than potential at A. So we can say potential final point is B minus potential initial point, that is A, is equal to work done by external agency in moving it from initial A to B divided by Q. So it means what? Since both are in the same potential in equipotential surface, the potential difference is zero. That is, in equipotential surface, potential at every point is same. That is, VA minus VB is equal to 0, or VB minus VA is equal to 0, or we can call VB minus VA is equal to 0. This is the potential difference between 2 points in this equipotential surface. Is equal to 0 is equal to work done by charge. That is, charge cannot be 0. It means work done in moving a charge from one point to another point in an equipotential surface is equal to 0. So this is the result. It means within, suppose if this is spherical shell, this is the equipotential surface, work done from moving to A to B, work done here also, see, because this and this are in same potential, so it means same potential, this is equal to 0, work done in moving from A to B. A to B is this one, and moving the charge is potential, so this is equal to 0. In general, we can say no work is done in moving a test charge from one point to another point on an, very, very important, on an equipotential surface. Second point, the electric field line is perpendicular to the equipotential surface. Already we have seen it. For uniform electric field, E will be this is, and this will be the electric, this is equipotential 1, equipotential surface 1, 2 and 1 like this. So what it says, the electric field direction will be this way, equipotential surface, both will be perpendicular. That's what the second point says. Electric field line is perpendicular to equipotential surface. And this surface, how the surface will be there? If you tilt it like this, the first surface, let us take the first surface. It will be like this. And everywhere on the surface potential is same. This is, since it is a equipotential surface, this is equipotential potential surface. The potential at every point on this is equal to, and this is the direction of electric field. If you move a point, move your test charge from one point to another point, as it is with the work done is equal to 0. So we can write, we got the formula, that is E electric field is equal to minus dV by dr, or dV is equal to minus E into dr, or it can be written as change in potential is equal to minus E dot dr. This also we seen, if the angle between E and dr is equal to 0, this is dr. If it is 0, then we get this relation, or we can say change in potential, final potential minus initial potential is equal to minus integral minus E into E dot dr. As it is, we know potential at E or potential at final, this is final because we are taking it from here to here. Potential at B minus potential at A is equal to minus E dot dr. So this already we have seen it. Now since VB potential at B is equal to potential at A, so VB minus VA is equal to 0, or we can write 0 is equal to minus E dot dr. So this is the direction of dr in this direction, this is the direction of electric field. Now, so we can simply write E into dr into cos of theta is equal to 0. This negative, this goes this side, minus of 0 becomes simply 0. So E is not 0, since E is not equal to 0, and the distance would also not equal to 0. It means this is not 0, this is not, it means cos theta has to be 0, it's in cos 90 degree. Cos theta when it is equal to 0 at cos 90, or theta is equal to 90 degree, where theta is equal to angle between E and dr. So this is the way electric field is going, this is the way the distance dr vector are, and the angle between them is 90 degree, angle between E and D. So electric potential, electric field lines, this is electric field lines is perpendicular to the equipotential surface. It means we can simply say, since E and D theta is equal to 90 degree, it means the angle between E and dr is equal to 90 degree. It means this is the way equipotential surface, this is the direction of electric field. It means the electric field is perpendicular to the equipotential surface. Third point. What third point says? Equipotential indicates a region of strong electric field where E is larger, that is electric strength of electric field is larger, when dr is small. That is, a distance of separation between two equipotential is small. Already we have seen this is the direction of electric field, and this is equipotential surface 1, and this is equipotential surface 2, and this is the distance of separation between two equipotential surface. See, as it is, we have seen what E is equal to minus dV by dr. This relation always comes everywhere, or we can write is dr. That is, dr is equal to distance of separation between two equipotential surface. Dr is equal to minus dV by E, or dV by E means, since dV is equal to constant, because change in potential is equal to 0. Potential at each surface, dV is equal to 0. That is, VA minus VB is equal to 0. That is a constant. Or we can say dr positive constant, negative constant, we take it as a constant. Whether it is positive constant or negative constant is equal to E. Or dr, the distance of separation between two equipotential surface, is proportional to 1 by E. It means what? If E increases, then dr decreases, first point, and E decreases, then dr will be increases according to this relation, inversely proportional. It means what? E will be strong in stronger electric field. In stronger electric field, the separation, distance of separation between any two electric potential, equipotential surface will be small. That is, in a stronger electric field, the distance of separation will be like this: equipotential 1, equipotential 2, equipotential 3. In weaker electric field, say we will take weaker electric field. Weaker electric field means this is stronger, more number of field lines, less number of field lines. Less number of electric field lines, the equipotential surface and equipotential surface, the separation dr will be more. It means if dr is more, electric field if dr, the separation between two equipotential surface will be more in case of weak electric field, and whereas here is the dr. In a strong electric field, the separation between two equipotential surfaces is more. Fourth point, two equipotential surface will never intersect. Suppose we say this is one equipotential surface and intersecting with another equipotential surface. So this is one equipotential surface and this is another equipotential surface. If they are intersecting at this point, suppose if they are intersecting, it means, see, for equipotential surface 1, what is the direction of electric field? The direction of electric field will be perpendicular to the perpendicular in this direction, perpendicular. It means this is for electric field for 1, and for this for this surface it will be like this, E2. So E2 direction, it means we can say the electric field for the equipotential surface 1 is in this direction, and electric field for the second will be like, it is at intersecting, means, see, this is the sheet. Suppose we say this is one interface, one equipotential surface, one more equipotential surface, and for equipotential surface electric field will be perpendicular. For this it will be perpendicular this way or that way. For this also this way or that way, depends upon the electric line. But for this equipotential surface, electric field will be perpendicular, and for this equipotential surface, the equipotential will be this way or this way. It means both are at 90 degree. If they are intersecting, it will be 90 degree. It means at a point of intersection, that is at point of intersection, both will intersect. One will go this way, so this is the point of intersection, this point of intersection. There will be two directions for two directions for electric field which is not possible. That means we can come to the conclusion two equipotential surface will never intersect.